The analog ohm meter is used to determine the operating condition of an isolated component on a de-energized circuit. The ohm meter can be used to locate an open circuit, an open component, such as a burned motor winding or damaged coil, or to measure actual resistance of a circuit or component. The analog ohm meter utilizes the meter's battery as its power source. The electrical device that's being checked will complete the circuit. When there's a complete path for current, there's continuity in the circuit. Continuity can be measured through circuits that have zero resistance and through circuits that have a measurable resistance. Low resistance will cause more current to flow, resulting in more needle movement. High resistance will cause less current to flow, resulting in little or no needle movement. An open circuit has no continuity since there is no path for the current to take. If the resistance of a component is too low, there will be too much current flow through the device, which can lead to component failure or a blown fuse. The ohm meter is designed to check de-energized components and circuits. Using the ohm meter on an energized circuit can result in damage to the meter.